Welcome to the Englishstorywell channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
Once upon a time in the city of Seattle, Washington, there were three friends. Their names were Jerry Baldwin, Zev Siegel, and Gordon Boker. These three men loved coffee. They drank it every day and talked about it often. But they were not happy with the coffee people were drinking in America. Most people drank cheap coffee from big cans. Did not taste fresh. One day the friends had a big idea. What if we sell good, fresh coffee beans to people? Jerry said. Yes, real coffee from other countries, Gordon added. Coffee with a story. They were excited. They did not want to open a coffee shop. They only wanted to sell beans and coffee machines. So, in 1971 they opened their first store. They called it Starbucks. The name came from a character in an old book about the sea. Sounded strong and different. First, Starbucks was a small store. It sold fresh coffee beans from places like Colombia and Ethiopia. People came in and smelled the beans. They could buy a small bag to take home. The friends worked hard. They believed in good coffee. They taught customers how to grind and brew at home. Soon people started to love their coffee. A new man with a new vision. In 1982, a man named Howard Schultz joined Starbucks. He was young, full of energy, and loved business. Howard started as the marketing manager. His job was to make more people know about Starbucks. One day, Howard visited Italy for a business trip. In Italy, he saw something amazing. Small cafes were everywhere. People didn't just drink coffee, they sat, talked, and enjoyed the moment. He loved the warm feeling of these cafes. I want to bring this idea to America, he thought. Coffee should be an experience, not just a drink. When he came back to Seattle, Howard shared his idea with the owners. We should sell drinks too, like espresso and cappuccino, he said. But the three founders said no. They didn't want to change the company. Howard didn't give up. He started his own coffee bar in 1986, and it was a big success. 2 years later, in 1987, he bought Starbucks from the original owners. He now had a chance to follow his dream, growing one cup at a time. Howard had a big dream. He wanted to bring good coffee and a warm cafe feeling to every part of America. He started opening new Starbucks stores, first in Seattle, then in other cities. But he didn't just sell coffee. He created a new experience. Each store had soft lights, relaxing music, and friendly staff. People could sit, work, read, or talk with friends. Starbucks became a second home for many. Howard also cared about his employees. He called them partners. He gave them health benefits and stock options, even part-time workers. This was rare at the time. Happy workers make happy customers, he believed. As more people visited, Starbucks grew fast. By the 1990s, Starbucks was in many cities across the U.S. Then Howard had a bigger goal: go global. The world learns the name. In the late 1990s, Starbucks opened stores outside the U.S. The first international store opened in Japan in 1996. People loved it. Soon, Starbucks came to the UK, China, Canada, and many other countries. Everywhere, people started enjoying the same coffee experience. Strong, warm, and comforting. The green Starbucks logo became famous all over the world. But Howard didn't stop. Starbucks started to offer more. Teas, cold drinks, sandwiches, snacks, and even music. Each year the company tried new things. Some worked, some did not. But they always learned and tried again. Hard times and a strong comeback. In 2008, Starbucks had a problem. The company was growing too fast. Some stores were not making money. The service became slow. The special feeling was going away. Howard Schultz came back as CEO to fix things. He closed over 600 stores and trained workers again. He asked them to focus on quality and connection. He also added more technology. Mobile apps, loyalty programs, and drive-thrus. Slowly, customers came back. The company was strong again. People saw that Starbucks was not just about coffee. It was about people. Today, Starbucks has more than 35,000 stores in over 80 countries. It is one of the most loved coffee brands in the world. But Starbucks is also known for its values. It supports farmers. Tries to protect the environment. It welcomes everyone, no matter their background. Many people go to Starbucks not only for a coffee, but for a smile, a quiet place to sit, or even free internet to study or work. 1. Brew. To make coffee by pouring hot water over ground coffee beans. 2. Espresso. A strong black coffee made by forcing steam through coffee beans. 3. CEO. The person who runs a company, Chief Executive Officer. 4. Loyal. Staying with a company or brand because you like it. 5. Partner. A worker at Starbucks is called a partner, not just an employee. Moral of the story. Starbucks teaches us a few important lessons. Start small but dream big. Care for your people, they will care for your business. Stay true to your values even when times are hard. Always be open to new ideas. Howard Schultz once said, "Success is best when it's shared."